Good morning, all of you. In this session, we are going to discuss about 2 points, that is, radical axis of two circles and radical center of three circles, which are not, the centers are not collinear. Then we can find radical center. What is radical axis? What is radical center? We have to know first. Radical axis is the locus of a point of given locus of point of given two circles in a plane with equal powers. That is nothing but, I can explain by using diagram. Let this is circle, S is equal to 0, the center is C1, C, and this is another circle, S dash is equal to 0 with the center C dash. This is let S is equal to x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 and S dash is equal to x square plus y square plus 2g dash x plus 2f dash y plus c dash is equal to 0. Let this is the given two circles in a plane. Now, by the definition of radical axis, the locus of a point with the equal powers with respect to the both circles. So it may be like this. What is powers? Power of a point is nothing but S1 is equal to 0. That is the distance of the point, given point, to the center of each circle. I will again explain by using one point, one example. Let this is center and there is a power of P, x1, y1. Let this is equal to 0. Then what is the power of P? We already discussed in previous sessions. The distance between the point to the center is nothing but the power of point. We can find by s1 is equal to s11 is equal to 0. That is power of point S11. Now, by using that, here it may be, by the definition of radical axis, the locus should be like this. Distance from this, equal distance. In this way, it will be. This is the radical axis. In this first case, the radical axis is the point is a straight line when the first case is two disjoint circles. If two circles are touch each other at a point, then what will be the radical axis? Suppose two circles are like this, then what will be the radical axis? In this case, it is nothing but the common tangent is the radical axis. If two circles in a plane touch each other, then their radical axis is nothing but the common tangent at the point of contact. You have to remember this. In another case, If two circles are touch each other in two distinct points, let A comma B, then what will be the radical axis? It is nothing but the common chord is the radical axis of the given two circles. If two circles are like this, with a different radius, concentric circles, then the locus does not exist with a different radii. If two circles are like this, with same radius, then total plane will be the radical axis. Okay. You have to remember these three cases very well. If two circles are given, then if S is a circle and S dash is equal to 0 is a circle, then we can find the radical axis by using the formula S minus S dash is equal to 0. Radical axis of S is equal to 0 and S dash is equal to 0 is S minus S dash is equal to 0. Okay, you have to remember this formula. Similarly, if two circles are touch each other at a point, then common tangent also we can find by using this formula S minus S dash. If two circles are intersecting, then we can find common chord, equation of common chord by using S minus S dash is equal to 0. S minus S dash is the most important formula in this chapter. It is used for three cases: radical axis, common tangent, common chord. This is nothing but the equation of common chord, equation of common tangent, and also radical axis. Okay, this is about radical axis. If two circles are like this, there is another point, a small point is there. This is S is equal to 0. S is nothing but x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, and another circle is there with the center c dash. This is c. This is s dash is equal to 0. This is s is equal to 0. S dash, let s dash is x square plus y square plus 2g dash x plus 2f dash y plus c dash is equal to 0. Then the equation of a radical axis is s minus s dash is equal to 0. That implies what is s here? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c minus s, minus of, that means minus x square minus y square minus 2g dash x minus 2f dash y minus c dash is equal to 0. X square y square get cancelled. The remaining 2gx minus 2gx, by taking x as common, it implies 2g into g minus g dash, 2 into g minus 2g dash, 2 is common is there, into x, sorry, 2x into g minus g dash, plus similarly 2f minus 2f dash, by taking 2f as common, 2 into f minus f dash into y plus c minus c dash is equal to 0. This is the equation of common, equation of radical axis. Our point is, it should be the perpendicular to the line joining of those two centers, that is C dash. Now we take the centers. Here, slope of radical axis. Slope of radical axis is, what is our formula? It is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. That is equation of slope of ax plus by plus c is nothing but minus of x coefficient by y coefficient. Here x coefficient is minus 2 into g minus g dash, y coefficient 2 into f minus f dash is m1, put m1 is equal to minus a by b, that is 2 into g minus g dash by 2 into f minus f dash. That 2 to get cancelled is equal to g minus g dash by f minus f dash. Okay, put that is. Similarly, what is the center of first s is equal to 0, center here, center is minus g comma minus f, c dash is equal to minus g dash minus f dash, c g minus g comma minus f, this is nothing but minus g dash minus f dash. Then the slope of c dash, c dash, slope of c dash is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, or x2 minus x1 minus y2 minus y1, or anyone. Here minus g y coefficient minus f dash minus of minus f, that is plus f, by x coefficient x2 minus x1 minus g dash minus of minus g, that is plus g. This is nothing but f minus f dash by g minus g dash. Let this is m2. Now we have to observe the product of these two slopes. Therefore, m1 m2, m1 into m2. What is m1? G minus g dash by f minus f dash. Sorry, here minus x coefficient by y coefficient, put minus, into, what is the slope of c dash, that is m2, f minus f dash by g minus g dash, by simplification g minus g dash has to be f minus f dash, get cancelled, that is minus 1. Here once again listen here the point. If equation slope of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 represent a straight line, that implies slope is equal to minus x coefficient by y coefficient, that is minus a by b. So here we have to put minus of, by substituting the values we got m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. If m1 m2 is equal to minus 1, then those two lines are perpendicular to each other. So we can conclude that the radical axis is perpendicular to the line joining of the centers of two circles. Okay, it is on another point. Now we will go to radical center. Now we will go to discussion about radical center. What is radical center? If three circles are there in a plane with non-collinear centers, if three circles are like this, these three are collinear lines, collinear center. Their centers are in collinear. If we draw radical center, this is S is equal to 0, S dash is equal to 0, S double dash is equal to 0, then the radical center may be like this, and the radical center of radical axis of these two like this. Then these two are parallel to each other. Now we will go to three circles, by taking three circles whose centers are not in a not collinear points. That means like this. Say this is S is equal to 0 and S dash is equal to 0 and third one is like this. If the center of this S is equal to 0 is C1, S dash C dash, S double dash is equal to 0, its center may be taken as C double dash. These three are non-collinear points. The centers are non-collinear. Then only we can say about the radical center. Here we draw radical axis of S is equal to 0 and S dash is equal to 0. This may be like this. And radical axis of S dash is equal to 0 and S double dash is equal to 0 may be like this. And the radical axis of S is equal to 0 and S double dash is equal to 0 may be like this. These three lines are congruent. The radical axis of three circles taken two at a time, we can draw three radical axes. Those radical axes are concurrent. These points is known as radical center. This is radical center. Radical center. Here there is no radical center. Radical center does not exist. If three centers are in a collinear, three centers are collinear. Here our condition is non-collinear centers. If three centers are non-collinear, then only there exists a radical center. We have to remember that point. Okay, that is about radical center. Now we will go to some problems relating to this radical axis and radical center. It is also an important topic. It by 4 marks, in 2 marks or 4 marks. Now we can go to problem solving. Now by taking an example, find the radical axis. Find the radical axis of the given circles. That is, what are given circles? S is equal to x square. Given circles 2x square plus 2y square plus 3x plus 6y minus 5 is equal to 0, and second one is 3x square plus 3y square minus 7x minus 8y minus 11 is equal to 0. This is our problem. We have to find the radical axis of these two circles, given circles. Equations of two circles are given. Solution: given circles are, let S is equal to 2x square plus 2y square plus 3x plus 6y minus 5 is equal to 0, and S dash is equal to 3x square plus 3y square minus 7x minus 8y minus 11 is equal to 0. But by observing, it is not in general form. The general equation of any circle is in the form of x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Now we have to find the radical axis or radical center or common chord or common tangent. We have to change the given circles into standard form, that is general form. That is, we have to, here 2x square and 2y square, the coefficients of x square and y square must be equal to 1. The reply we can, by dividing the first equation 1, 2, that implies S may be x square plus y square plus 3 by 2x plus 6y by 2, that means 3y minus 5 by 2 is equal to 0. And here we have to divide with 3, and S dash may be x square plus y square minus 7 by 3x minus 8 by 3y minus 11 by 3 should be equal to 0. For this point, I am taking this example. We have to change the circle equation into general equation if the given equation is not in the general form. Then what we have to find? Radical axis. Radical axis, I will now take what is the radical axis of radical axis. Formula for finding radical axis is equal to E. S minus S dash is equal to E. Now we have the replies x square plus y square plus 3 by 2x plus 3y minus 5 by 2 minus of, that means minus x square minus y square minus element plus 7 by 3x plus 8 by 3y plus 11 by 3 should be equal to 0. X square get cancelled, y square get cancelled. The remaining x term and y term and that means constants should be simplified. That means x into 3 by 2 plus 7 by 3. 3 by 2 plus 7 by 3 into x, or taking the remaining maybe right here plus 3y minus 5 by 2 minus 7 by 3x plus 8 by 3y plus 11 by 3 equal to 0. Now find LCM of the denominators. LCM is 6. By multiplying with 6, the equation may be multiplying with 6. With 6 we can get that 6 into 3 by 2, 9x plus 6 3s are 18y minus 2 into 6 3 times 3 15 minus 2 7s are 14x plus 2 8s are 16y plus 3 2 times 2 11s are 12. Okay, this is the by simplification that implies 9x minus 14x, that is minus 5x plus 18y plus 16 plus 34y minus 15 plus 22 is plus 7 equal to 0 by multiplying with minus 5x minus 34y minus 7 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of radical axis. In this way, you have to solve remaining all problems which are in our textbooks. Okay. Now take another one. Now take another simple problem. Find the equation of the common chord of the following pairs of circles. Find the common equation of common chord of the given circles. What are given circles? Let x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0 and x square plus y square minus 5x minus 6y plus 4 is equal to 0. Solution. Equation of common chord is s minus h dash is equal to 0. That implies x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y plus 3 minus of s dash, that means minus x square minus y square minus into minus plus 5x plus 6y minus 4 is equal to 0 by multiplying with minus x square y square get cancelled. The remaining minus 4x plus 5x, that is x, minus 4y plus 6y, that is plus 2y plus 3 minus 4 minus 4. This is the required equation of common chord. Now another problem is there, very important problem it is. Just wait. Alignment.